Good morning everyone. Welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we are going to discuss page number 54 of your maths book. In our previous video, we have discussed about fractions, what fraction means and different types of fractions. In today's class, we will be discussing how to write fractions for the given pictures. Now, here the first question is write the fraction for each of the following shaded region. Okay, here some of the pictures are given and these figures are divided into various parts like here squares, rectangles, circles, okay, hexagon. So here we have to write down the fractions of the shaded portion. Like here, this is the first question. You can see it's a square. In how many parts this square is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Okay, we all know that in denominator we write the total number of parts. So here total number of parts are 4. So in denominator we will write 4. And how many parts are shaded? Because we have to write the fraction for shaded region. So how many parts are shaded out of 4? Only 1. So 1 will be written in the numerator. Clear? Now let us see this B part. Again it's a square and this square is divided into 4 different parts. One more thing children, see all the figures are divided equally. Okay. If you remember in our last class I said whenever we write fraction we should divide the figure or object equally. The distribution, the division must be equal. So this figure is divided into 4 equal parts. So we will write 4 in the denominator, okay, and out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded, okay, out of 4, 2 parts are shaded. So here in numerator we have written 2. Now let us see this C part. It's a rectangle over here, okay, and this rectangle is divided into 6 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we will write 6 in denominator. And out of 6 parts, 1 part is shaded. Yes, 1 part is shaded. So 1 will be written in the numerator. So the fraction is 1 upon 6. See this D part. Again it's a rectangle and it is also divided into 6 parts. So 6 will be written in the denominator and out of 6, 2 parts are shaded. So we will write 2 in the numerator. Let us now see this E part. Here again it's a rectangle which is divided into 6 equal parts. So we will write 6 in the denominator and out of 6 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. So we will write 5 in numerator. So the fraction is 5 upon 6. Here in this F part you can see this figure is divided into 3 equal parts. So we will write 3 in the denominator and out of 3 parts, 1 part is shaded. 1, 2, 3, 3 are the total number of parts. So we will write 3 in the denominator and out of 3, 1 is shaded. So 1 will be written in the numerator. So 1 upon 3 is the fraction of the shaded region. Okay. This 1 upon 3 represents this shaded part. Similarly, 5 upon 6 represents this shaded part. 2 upon 6 represents this part only, okay. Now see this G part. Here this circle is divided into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So we will write 3 in the denominator. And out of 3, 1 part is shaded. So 1 will be written in the numerator. Similarly, rest of the parts can be done. I hope now you will be able to write the fractions for the given figures. Okay, let us now discuss page number 55 of your maths book. And this is question number 1. What is the question now? Shade the region for each of the given fractions. Okay, what was given in previous question in page number 54? It was the question that all shaded portions were given and we were writing fractions for it. But now fraction is given and the figure is given, we have to shade it. Like here, 2 by 3. Fraction is 2 upon 3. Now we have to shade this figure. Okay. So these are the three parts, 1, 2, 3, and out of 3 we have to shade only 2 parts. So we will shade 2 rectangles here. Okay. See this B part, here it is 7 upon 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total parts are 9. And out of 9 we have to shade 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts we will shade. Okay. Now C part, 4 upon 9. This figure is already divided into 9 parts. These are 9 parts, and out of 9 we have to shade 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts we have shaded. Now 4 upon 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7, 7 is the total number of parts. Now out of 7 we have to shade 4. So we have shaded 4 parts of it. Okay, similarly all these parts will be solved. But here I would like to draw your attention over here in this I part. Children, skip this F part. Why? Because there is some mistake. Okay, this cannot be 11 upon 16. ओके, इट माइट बी 1 upon 6. आप इसको 1 upon 6 अज्यूम करके कर सकते हो बिकॉज 6 पार्ट्स आर हियर एंड 1 पार्ट वी कैन शेड. तो अगर आप ये करना चाहते हो तो स्किप दिस 1 upon 1. इसको आप 1 upon 6 अज्यूम करके करेंगे. ओके, 11 upon 16 को आप 1 upon 6 लिखकर इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. नाउ ऑल दीज पार्ट्स आर सेम. टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स हमें गिवन है. 5 पार्ट्स यहाँ पे शेड करने थे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 पार्ट्स वी हैव शेडेड. See this question number I here. Now it is 1 upon 3. Now you will be amazed कि यहाँ पे 3 parts तो है नहीं. Okay, no 3 parts are given. This figure is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts. और ये कह रहा है 3 parts में से 1 part को shade करो. तो 3 parts तो यहाँ है ही नहीं. Okay, now see this figure in different way. जैसे मैम आपको दिखा रहे हैं वैसे देखिए. दिस फिगर इनटू डिवाइडेड कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पार्ट्स. हाउ? दिस विल बी फर्स्ट, देन इट विल बी सेकेंड पार्ट एंड दिस विल बी द थर्ड पार्ट. कैन यू सी द 3 पार्ट्स नाउ? अगर हम इसको 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना चाहें तो इट विल बी द फर्स्ट पार्ट, दिस विल बी द सेकेंड एंड दिस विल बी द थर्ड. सो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, 4 पार्ट्स, यहाँ पे 4 पार्ट्स को 1 पार्ट लेके अज्यूम करिए. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. सो इसको अगर हमें 1/3 शो करना है तो आउट ऑफ दीज 3 दिस 1 विल बी शेडेड. ओके ओके. और वी कैन से अगर हम इसको कन्वर्ट करते, देखिए 3 के मल्टीपल्स, बिकॉज हियर वी हैव गिवन 12 पार्ट्स. सो 3 को अगर हम 12 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 3 4 टाइम्स इज 12. तो हमें क्या करना होगा, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. तो ये क्या कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इंटू 4 इंटू 12. नाउ 1 upon 3. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया हुआ है 1 upon 3, बट टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने हैं वहाँ पर, 12. तो हम इसे 12 में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें, 3 को 12 में कैसे कन्वर्ट करें. We can multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. So it will be like 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So now it is 4 upon 12, which means 12 में से हमें कितने parts shade करने हैं, 4 parts. So here 4 parts we have shaded. Similarly this part will be solved. Here denominator is 4 but total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means we have to convert this 4 into 8. So to convert this 4 into 8, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 1s is 2 and 4 2s is 8. So it means out of 8 we have to shade 2 parts. So out of the 8 parts we have shaded 2 parts. Now let us discuss this next question, that is write the following in words. This can be written as this 3 upon 4 or we read it as 3/4. So here now the next part is 1 upon 5. Now 1 upon 5 can be read as 1/5. 1/5. Okay, so here we have written 1/5. Now this is 3 upon 8. It can be written as 3/8. 3/8. Now 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 can be read as 4/5. So 4/5 part. Clear? Let us now discuss this question number 3. Question number 3 is write the fraction for each of the following. अगेन दिस इज 3/7, वेरी इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन. ओके, आपको इसमें ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना है, परेशान नहीं होना है. 3/7, सो 3/7. 4/5, so 4/5. 6/11, so 6/11. 1/10, so 1/10. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी ईजी. आई होप आज की क्लास में जो हमने डिस्कस किया है आपको समझ में आया है एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व सच क्वेश्चंस. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू सो मच.